Here I have a broken toilet lid. I'm not sure where this piece went, so I can't use it back. So I'm going to attempt to make it a little more decent using some Bondo. So I went to the store like Home Depot and stuff. They don't sell just the lid. You have to buy the whole toilet. And this toilet, I think, is 10 inches off the wall where the drain pipe is. So it's a special item, and the toilets are probably double the price. So I decided I'm going to attempt to fix it. This side actually faces the shower, so you don't see it when you come into the bathroom. So I think I'm just going to cut a piece of wire mesh, 1/2 inch, try to fit it in here, and then make some Bondo, and then put it on it, sand it down, and see how it looks. All right, it's not going to match perfectly, but it'll be better than just having a hole here that's subject to getting yourself cut on it. Okay, so I put the mesh in here best as I could, and I'm just going to build this up now to cover this area. And you know, the underneath isn't so important, but I want to make sure I get the top. And it's interesting, I've never really used Bondo in a can like this. This is what it looks like, and this is how much you get. It's like this much. Where did the rest of it go? So they said to mix a golf ball size amount and use the hardener, right? And apply it, wait a few minutes, and then apply it within 3 to 4 minutes. And I think the amount they said is about this much. Just mix it in and then apply it. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is the first pass, and I think I should have used something that was a bit finer meshed because it's just falling through. But I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to put another layer and probably another one and see if I can build it up. I don't have any other use for the Bondo, so I might as well. So this is what I ended up with. I put 2 coats on, and the second one I put pretty heavy, and it started to, I applied it pretty thick, so it didn't go on very well. It started to slide off, and then I kept applying it until it started to firm up. So it's really not looking very appealing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it dry and then sand it down a bit and see how it looks. And I might have to apply one more thin coat. So let's see. Okay, so I let it harden for about 2 days, and I took my grinder with a masonry disc and I reshaped it. Didn't come out perfect, but I think it's a lot better than a gaping hole. So that completes the job. I'm just going to try and get some paint and just paint as close as I could to this color. And that completes it. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.